Earlier today, Samsung dropped a teaser for its upcoming Galaxy Z Fold device. While most leaks have referred to it as the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the teaser prominently featured the term Ultra multiple times. This has raised the question, is Samsung planning to launch a Galaxy Z Fold 7 Ultra this year? Given the repeated use of the word Ultra, it's quite possible that the teased device will carry that name. But if that's the case, will there also be a standard Galaxy Z Fold 7? And what about the much-anticipated trifold device, expected to launch later this year? Wouldn't that be a more fitting candidate for the Ultra moniker? And new details are starting to emerge about its specification. According to a Geekbench test screenshot shared by leaker Tarun Vats on X, the device, identified as SM-F966U, will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. This chip, codenamed Sun during development, delivers performance on par with flagship devices like the OnePlus 13 and Samsung's own Galaxy S25. However, it might fall slightly behind the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which boasts 16 gigabytes of RAM. The benchmark reveals that the Z Fold 7 will have 12 gigabytes of RAM, which should be sufficient for most users, although there could be a higher RAM variant in the works. The test also confirms the device will run One UI 8 based on Android 16, which is expected to be officially released by Google by the end of June. Previous leaks suggest that the Z Fold 7 will feature a slightly larger 6.5-inch cover display and an 8-inch inner folding screen, while maintaining a similar design and aspect ratio to its predecessor, the Fold 6. This means Samsung may still lag behind competitors like the Oppo Find N5 in terms of form factor. The official announcement for the Z Fold 7 is rumored to take place in July, mirroring last year's timeline for the Fold 6. More details are expected to surface in the coming weeks. It's shaping up to be a major upgrade in the foldable lineup. It's rumored to debut with Android 16 and One UI 8.0, thanks to Google moving up the Android release timeline to sometime between April and June. The Fold 7 will reportedly be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chipset, just like the upcoming Galaxy S25 series. Among the notable improvements, it may feature an enhanced under-display selfie camera, a stronger display with new protective layers, better water and dust resistance, a less noticeable crease, a larger vapor chamber for improved cooling, upgraded speakers, and a more advanced vibration motor. In addition to these, the Fold 7 is said to be thinner than before, measuring just 4.5 millimeters when unfolded. It may also come with larger displays, an 8-inch inner screen, and a 6.5-inch outer screen. Perhaps the most eye-catching upgrade is the rumored 200-megapixel main camera, potentially the same one used in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. While these changes might not be revolutionary, they represent a significant leap for the Fold series, which has seen relatively minor updates in recent years. If these rumors hold true, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 could give Samsung a much-needed edge in the increasingly competitive foldable market, especially against rising Chinese brands. Samsung seems focused on improving key aspects that matter most to users, a strategy that has worked well with recent launches like the Galaxy S25 series. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to feature several enhancements across design, display, and camera, making it a more polished and user-friendly version of its predecessor. A new leak by tipster Anthony on X, formerly Twitter, reveals that the most notable upgrades could come in three main areas: display, build quality, and camera. Both the internal and external screens are reportedly getting larger, with the inner foldable display possibly expanding to 8 inches and the outer screen growing to 6.5 inches. The device might also feature an improved under-display camera, UDC, on the inside, delivering clearer selfies even when the phone is unfolded. Additionally, Samsung could reduce the visibility of the crease on the foldable screen, enhancing the overall viewing experience. In terms of design, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is expected to be thinner than its predecessor, potentially just 4.5 millimeters thick when unfolded, making it one of the slimmest foldables available. Samsung might also introduce new display layers to boost durability and reduce wear and tear over time. Improvements in water and dust resistance are also anticipated, aligning with modern smartphone standards. One of the most exciting rumors is a major upgrade in the camera system. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 might be the first in the Fold series to sport a 200-megapixel main sensor, bringing it closer to Samsung's flagship Galaxy S models in photography. This could result in sharper images, improved low-light performance, and overall better photo quality. Other expected enhancements include improved stereo speakers, more responsive haptic feedback, a larger vapor chamber for better cooling, and the latest One UI 8 software. The device is also likely to be powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. Samsung is expected to officially unveil the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in July, alongside the Z Flip 7. Later in the year, a more budget-friendly Galaxy Z Flip FE model may also be introduced. Samsung's handling of the One UI 7 Android 15 update hasn't gone over well with fans. The official release is scheduled much later than any previous One UI version, leaving Galaxy smartphone and tablet users feeling let down and impatient for new features. The delay has also raised questions about whether upcoming updates, such as One UI 8, will suffer the same fate. However, several reports indicate that Samsung is aiming to speed things up with One UI 8, which will be based on Android 16. It's even been suggested that the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 will launch in the second half of the year, with Android 16 and One UI 8 right out of the box. Our insiders have confirmed that the next-gen foldables will indeed come preloaded with the newest Android and One UI version. If that turns out to be accurate, we can expect the One UI 8 update for current devices like the Galaxy S25 to arrive significantly earlier than the rollout of One UI 7. Various leaks have already provided insights into their design, and now newly surfaced third-party accessories further support these rumored changes. Images posted on X reveal a cover for the Galaxy Z Flip 7, with dimensions suggesting a Moto Razr-style larger cover display, reportedly measuring 4.5 inches. The leaked renders also depict a design more akin to the Razr. Additionally, a screen protector for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 has appeared, indicating a taller and wider display compared to its predecessor, aligning with previous leaks about its dimensions. This change could enhance usability when the device is folded shut. As the release date approaches, more leaks of this nature are expected. By now, Samsung would have finalized the specifications and design, with mass production likely to begin in the coming months. Rumors suggest that the Z Fold 7 may take design cues from the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, a slimmer and sleeker model with slightly larger displays, which is currently exclusive to South Korea and China. In terms of performance, the device is expected to feature the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, although previous reports have hinted at a possible Exynos 2500 variant. Samsung typically introduces its foldable lineup during its annual Galaxy Unpacked event in July or August, and the same schedule is likely for 2025. For those looking to purchase the Z Fold 7, several trade-in deals are expected. Samsung may offer up to $1,200 in trade-in credit, while Verizon could provide up to $1,000 off with a trade-in and an unlimited plan. T-Mobile is anticipated to offer discounts of up to $1,000 for Go 5G Plus Next customers, or $600 to $800 off with a new line. Similarly, AT&T may provide up to $1,000 off with a trade-in and an unlimited plan. The Z Fold 7 is expected to be available in 3 storage configurations: 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and 1 terabytes, catering to different user needs.
According to Galaxy Club, the Galaxy Z Fold 7's camera system will include 200 megapixel primary camera, same as the S25 Ultra, 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera, 10 megapixel telephoto sensor, 10 megapixel cover screen selfie camera, enhanced under-display camera, UDC. While the resolution of the UDC hasn't been confirmed, the source states that Samsung has made notable improvements to the sensor.
The Galaxy Z Flip 7 is shaping up to be a major upgrade, while the Galaxy Z Fold 7 seems to be getting far less attention. 2 major leaks have surfaced, revealing exciting changes for the Flip 7, but raising concerns about Samsung's approach to its book-style foldable. This shift in focus suggests a larger strategy at play, but it also raises the question, is Samsung sidelining the Z Fold 7 on purpose? The Z Flip 7 appears to be receiving significant improvements. One of the most notable upgrades is its battery capacity, which could increase to 4,300 milliamp hours, making it the largest battery ever in a Flip device. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss your daily tech fix. Until next time, stay curious and stay in the loop.